So this is how we connect the smoke detectors, ceiling speakers with communication cable. Now we will try to connect the heat detectors with the communication cable, and it goes to the fire alarm panel, fire alarm and public addressable panel. So here I will make the layer for the communication cable for heat detector. And choose the color randomly, which is differentiate with the smoke detector's communication cable and the speaker's communication cable. Like I will select. Here I will select this color, which is the differentiate with the smoke detectors and the speaker's cable. So here is the communication cable. I will make the layer for that, the current layer, and try to install the communication cable or try to connect the communication cable with the heat detector. For that, I need to off this two layer, that is speaker's communication cable and the smoke detector communication cable. Then only I will put the communication cable for the heat detector. For that, I will start from here, like this. Here it is, the smoked heat detector cable, communication cable, like this. Try to keep the looping for heat detector, communication cable like this. As this is very much important, keep the looping that each heat detectors must be connected with the communication cable like this. Try to connect each and every heat detector with the communication cable like this, like this. This is what I have doing, connecting the heat detectors with the communication cable. Try to connect each and every heat detector with the communication cable. Here it is. Like this. distance must be covered minimum, like this. Each and every heat detector connector with a communication cable, like this. Try to keep the heat detectors connect with each cable. Try to loop the cable with each and every heat detectors, and then we can go here into the fire alarm panel. So be assured that each heat detectors has been connected with the communication cable. For that, I will do the simple way that isolation command, lock and fade command on the off command. Into the off command, only isolated layer we can see,
like this.
So is that I connected each and every heat detector with the communication cable? No, here it is, I missed out to heat detectors, so I will connect like this. So here, again, there is the one more heat detector I have missed. So here I have connected each and every smoke heat detector with the communication cable. So what I will do, I will make an ISO and see this is each and every device has been connected with the communication cable. Each device has a separate communication cable going to the fire alarm panel. So this is the communication cable. Now you can see each device has been connected with the communication cable. Same we can draw with the power cable. Each device connected with a power cable, and that cable going to the DB, distribution board. MCB required for these devices. That is in a single line diagram we can see, we can show, but not into this diagram. This diagram is specially for a fire alarm system layout. So into the fire alarm system layout, I have installed the smoke detectors, heat detectors, ceiling speakers into the EIA and connected with each and each and every devices with the communication cable, and that all communication cable going into the fire alarm and public addressable panel. So this is FACP panel. This is called FACP panel. This panel is connected with each and every cable. So I will mention over here the FACP panel, or it is also called as a FAPA panel, means the fire alarm and public addressable panel. So this is the unique location for this FACP panel, and each and every devices has been connected with the fire alarm and public addressable panel. So the next is Hooter. Hooter is the very important apparatus for the device which connect with the fire alarm panel at the assembly area. This Hooter required to install at the assembly area. So we need to understand where the assembly area over here. In case of fire, entrance is here, and this is the customer desk, customer service desk, or it is also called the assembly area. When the assembly area is nearby your staircase, because in case of fire, we need to use the staircase instead of the lift. So, at the entrance area, there is the assembly area, and in the assembly area, we must install the hooters as well as the manual call point.